2010 Toyota Corolla. Want to do the mounts, engine mounts. Alright. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the rear bottom engine mount. That's the only one there, okay? This is it. You see this the long pin? That's gonna be a pain in the butt to get it out of the hole, and for that you're gonna have to bring down the frame. I'm gonna show you what bolts to hit with a 17 and 18 or 19, if I'm not mistaken, millimeter. All right. Right now I'm removing the bolt that I go across the mount. Okay. I'm sorry if you don't see it though, but you can see the other end of the bolt spinning. All right. To make it easier for myself, I'm gonna have to put a mount, like a stand, so I lift the engine from the bottom and align the holes. I mean the hole of the engine mount and the thing that hold the engine mount. Okay, right there I'm trying to push out the pin. Okay, since it's not aligned, I'm about to use this stand like I told you a second ago. There it is. So it's easier for me to remove the bolt that I go across. Okay. Once I remove it, now I can hit the bolts that are at the bottom that hold the engine mount. Okay, those are gonna be 14. All right. And once I remove the bolts at the bottom, there's like a nut and 2 bolts. No, there's like this 2 nuts and 3 nuts and 1 long bolt. Okay, that long bolt is gonna be kind of like a little bit pain in the ass to align it with the hole in the mount. Okay, for that you're gonna use a pry bar. Okay, it will be better if you use a friend to help you. Okay, now once I lose all the bolts and nuts, the long nut, the long stud, long pin, whatever you want to call it, it's gonna hit the racking pinion. So what you gotta do is drop the frame a little bit so you have more space. You're not gonna have that much though, so you're gonna have to force it, unless you want to force the steering column. Okay, it's tight in here. This was like this whole project was a pain in the ass. Now right there, the long pin that goes into the frame is hitting the rack and pinion, and it's giving me a hard time, as you can see. So right there is when I decide to drop the frame. So I create a bigger gap between between the frame and the exhaust pipe and all that. But even though I did that, I still have to hustle to remove the engine mount. Now once you remove the engine mount, you can remove it through the side of the tire, like that right there. You can pull it out through there. Okay, so you're gonna have to like play with it for a minute, spin it, rotate it, and all that in order to pull out the engine mount. This is a Toyota, okay? So I thought Toyota was good, like designing things, but this was the first thing I encountered, and took me some time to do something like, oh, when you say like an engine mount, I'm saying, you're thinking, oh, it's gonna be easy, but this one wasn't. No, this one wasn't it. Okay, my bad. So these are the bolts that I'm gonna lose in order to drop the frame and make a bigger gap, so I can pull out that engine mount, because it's stuck. The long pin is stuck in the rack and pinion. Okay, I saw videos of guys that removed the air filter, the battery, and all that, just to pull it upward. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, because like I told you, it's pretty tight over there. It's tight. All right. I don't wanna make you waste time doing something that is too crazy, and that's why I'm making this video, so you know what you're gonna encounter. You know what I'm saying? So you know what you're gonna deal with. Yeah, I mean. Now here I pull out the engine mount through the side of the car, okay, and I put the new one. Now I'm putting the nuts and the bolt and all that, okay, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was very helpful, because you're gonna need it though, okay. This engine mount is not that easy like the other ones. Alright, so if you have any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what's your concern, where you stuck at, and I'm gonna be glad. I'll be glad to help you. Alright, because probably this thing took me like, I don't know, maybe more than 10 minutes, 20 minutes to pull it out. Alright. Now here I'm trying to align the holes, so I can put the stud through it. Okay. And right here you're gonna need another hand, so your friend use a pry bar, so you can, you know what I'm saying, tie that stud. Once you do all that, you'll set. But the last thing is that one right there. That one. You're gonna have to align that hole with the frame, the hole of the engine mount and the frame. You're gonna need a pry bar, okay? And then you're all set. Just tie it, everything, you're good to go. All right. I hope you like this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, like I said, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this Corolla. All right. Please destroy, smash the subscribe button. Do that for me. Like this video, share this video. And the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Like I said, all right, I'm gonna leave it right here. Shout outs to my subscribers, shout outs to my followers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here. It's me, Stu. I'm clocking out. I see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. And I'm out.